In this tutorial video, I'm going to teach you how to fix missing drafts. Now, if you had saved your draft on TikTok previously and you can't find it now, this could be caused because there are some kind of glitch in the system of TikTok. Now, there are a couple of ways that you can fix it. Firstly, from the profile section, tap on the three lines on the top right, and then tap on settings and privacy. From here, scroll down and you'll have an option of free up space. You can tap on it and then tap on clear and tap on clear again. So once you clear the cache, it's not gonna affect and remove any of your effects that you've downloaded. It only removes unwanted files. Now after you do that, you can head back and check if it solves your issue. If it still does not, what you can do now is try to update your app of TikTok. Open up the App Store or the Play Store and search for TikTok. If you see that there is an update and you need to update the app, you can easily tap on update and update it. Updating apps helps to fixes any kinds of bugs which may be causing that particular issue. Now once you do, you can try to check if it solved that issue. Now if it still does not, you can now tap and hold the app of TikTok and then open up app info. From here, you can tap on clear data and tap on clear all data. Now what this does is it's gonna log you out of your TikTok. It's pretty much similar to uninstalling the app of TikTok again and then again reinstalling it. What you can also do is you can tap on force stop and then tap on OK. Now once you do that, you need to again log into your TikTok account, and after you've been logged in, you should be able to find the draft that you have saved previously. If you still cannot, then the only reason left is because TikTok is having an issue right now. So if TikTok is down, you cannot perform any kinds of tasks easily that you were able to before. Now for that, the only thing that you can do is wait out a couple of hours or maybe even a day or two before TikTok fixes its issues. Now once it does, you should be able to find the missing drafts option back on your TikTok account. So those are the couple of things that you can do in order to fix missing drafts on TikTok. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to subscribe, share and give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today. I'll see you in the next one.